Looking for the best guitar stands to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. String Swing Guitar Stand. Compared to alternatives made of black metal and foam, this stand is a stylish and durable piece that will look great just about everywhere. String Swing is a well-established company based in Wisconsin that's known for its handcrafted wooden guitar stands and hangers. This multiple guitar stand for electric guitars is made of solid ash wood and holds up to 6 electric guitars or 3 acoustic guitars, which rest at an angle against a padded steel yoke and upon 2 strips of rubber at the bottom. Apart from being visually pleasing, this one allows users to keep an eye on their guitar collection and retain direct access to multiple instruments in a relatively compact space. This stand is a bit heavy, but it comes with extra stability that's crucial for holding multiple instruments. It does require a small amount of user assembly involving fastening pieces together using a drill or a screwdriver, but an instruction sheet and all required screws are included. If you need a secure place to store multiple guitars but you aren't keen on shelling out for a premium product, the Fender Multistand is a secure and relatively minimalist alternative that comes in 3 guitar and 5 guitar sizes. Number 2. Amazon Basics Guitar Folding A-Frame Stand. This folding model has a slim and unassuming silhouette that belies its ability to secure both electric and acoustic guitars of varying depths and widths. A simpler design there isn't, but that's the core appeal of this folding A-frame stand from Amazon Basics. It takes up very little floor space while providing a comfortable place to rest any acoustic or electric guitar. Thanks to its lack of an upper frame, this stand also takes up very little visual space, so it's a great choice for placing on stage or setting up in the corner of a bedroom. Its sturdy steel frame uses a locking pin that's fairly easy to adjust, offering users 3 widths to accommodate a variety of guitar designs. Aesthetically, this stand leaves a bit to be desired. Its combination of prominent branding and a black industrial steel and rubber finish makes it less suitable for interior design than a subtler wooden option like this stand from Donner. Furthermore, its support arms are rigid and don't swivel, so asymmetrical instruments like the Fender Stratocaster sit lopsided when placed in their most secure position. Number 3. String Swing Guitar Wall Hanger. This wall guitar hanger gets major points for build quality, with a style and finish that make it appear more like a housing fixture than a storage solution. If you're leaning toward a guitar wall hanger as a storage solution, you may be trying to save floor space, proudly display your instrument, or both. This wall hanger from String Swing sports all the style and durability for which the brand is known, featuring solid wood construction, metal hardware, and a soft swiveling rubber yoke. Unlike black plastic and foam offerings on the market, this guitar hanger comes in several wood finishes and blends in with furniture, interior decor, and architectural details to naturally integrate your instrument with the room itself. The hanger comes with all the hardware required for stud and drywall installation, but you'll need to bring your own hardware if you're mounting it on a different material like plaster, brick, or metal. Its yoke is also fairly narrow, so you'll need to go with a different mount model if you're hanging a wide-necked instrument like a classical guitar. We also found that while its shallow depth is great for saving space and keeping guitars close to the wall, guitars with dramatically angled headstocks or bulkier tuning machines often scrape the wall when mounting and unmounting. Number 4. Hercules Auto Grip Guitar Stand. The Hercules Auto Grip Stand is one of the few options that accommodate longer instruments, with a height that's suitable for hanging everything from electric bass to a cello. Not every guitar stand can hold a tall instrument like an electric bass, but the Auto Grip from Hercules has all the features to do it the right way. Making height adjustments is easy thanks to its quick action clutch, which allows the stand to reach a maximum height of 45.3 inches. The head yoke locks automatically around instruments when weight is applied and opens quickly when they're lifted, which adds another layer of instrument security without requiring user intervention. Despite its size, the entire stand collapses to a reasonably small shape when it's time to pack up. Bear in mind that this stand keeps instruments in place using an angled, lean-back design, which demands a little more floor space than the average competitor when it's open. The yoke is also able to accommodate most average acoustic and electric guitar necks, but wide-necked instruments like classical guitars won't fit. Number 5. Ruach Wooden Acoustic Electric Guitar Stand. This wooden option has a wide yoke to accommodate the uniquely wide necks of classical guitars and has looks to match. Classical guitars feature wider than average spacing between strings, which requires being constructed with an overall wider neck. Finding a stand that can support the unique shape and delicate construction of a classical guitar can be tricky, but this option from Ruach is designed specifically with classical guitars in mind. It's made from durable mahogany and has a sleek silhouette and a glossy finish that are sure to complement any classical guitar or other elegant wide-necked instruments. It has a generous 39-inch clearance above the ground, making it a good option for long instruments as well. This wooden stand is incredibly stylish and would be welcome in any living room, but the manufacturers sacrificed padding in favor of keeping the design visually clean. As a result, instruments have a tendency to knock against the shaft of the stand when being placed or retrieved. The wide classical-sized yoke is also too big to adequately support normal guitars, which may end up resting on their tuning machines.